Instructions for making panna cotta with smooth cream. Panna cotta is a delicious Italian dessert that is made from sweetened cream and gelatin. The dessert is typically served with a fruit compote or sauce, and is a popular dessert option for those who prefer a lighter and less sweet dessert. In this recipe, we will show you how to make a classic panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream on top. Prefer a lighter and less sweet dessert. In this recipe, we will show you how to make a classic panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream on top. Ingredients. For the panna cotta: 2 cups heavy cream, ½ cup sugar, 1½ teaspoon gelatin powder, ½ cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the whipped cream: 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream and sugar over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin powder over the milk and let it sit for 5 minutes to soften. Add the gelatin mixture to the saucepan with the cream and sugar, and stir until the gelatin has fully dissolved. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into 4 to 6 ramekins or glasses and chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until set. To make the whipped cream, beat the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract together in a bowl until stiff peaks form. Once the panna cotta has set, spoon the whipped cream on top of each dish and smooth it out with a spoon. Chill the dishes in the refrigerator for an additional 30 minutes to allow the whipped cream to set. Serve the panna cotta chilled, topped with your favorite fruit compote or sauce. Enjoy your delicious and creamy panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream on top. This dessert is perfect for a special occasion or as a sweet treat after dinner. Here are some tips and variations to consider when making panna cotta with a smooth layer of whipped cream. Use a high-quality heavy cream for the best flavor and texture. You can also use a combination of heavy cream and milk for a lighter version. Add additional flavorings to the panna cotta, such as citrus zest, spices like cinnamon or cardamom, or extracts like almond or coconut. Use a variety of glasses or molds to serve the panna cotta, such as martini glasses, ramekins, or silicone molds. This can create a visually appealing dessert that is perfect for entertaining. Experiment with different types of whipped cream, such as adding cocoa powder for a chocolate whipped cream or using flavored extracts like mint or lavender. Top the panna cotta with a variety of fruits or sauces, such as berries, caramel sauce, or even a drizzle